just love this. This is why Trump. There are more people out there that the polling people will never find who are going to support Donald Trump. Scott Adams, who is the cartoon guy, Gilbert, whatever. He did his own Twitter poll. 36,000 people responded to it. And he found incredible number of people responded. They are scared to death to tell anybody they're going to vote for Trump, including pollsters. They will not do it. And he thinks that it could 2 to 3%, if not more, of the skewed data that are published in modern day presidential polls. Along those lines, how many of you have run across anybody in the course of your day that says, man, I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I want to vote for Joe Biden. How many people like that have you run into? Jason Chaffetz made that point last night on Fox. I said, great point. There isn't any enthusiasm for Biden. You know what? The Biden agenda, I'll tell you who's co-opted. The Joe Biden agenda is actually the Bernie Sanders agenda, which is it's almost to a T, and it's what they had to do to keep the Bernie voters from defecting or sitting out. There isn't any energy for Biden, and they want you to believe that there is, but there is zero, not of what there is energy for anti-Trump. And there are people that are going to vote Democrat, no matter who the Democrat on the ballot is. But in terms of personal enthusiasm or a bond, Biden has no bond with any voters. He doesn't have a connection, not at all. Certainly nothing approaching the bond or connection that Trump has. And yet we're told that the desire and the energy and the support is all for Biden. It's massive. And the fact is, Biden's numbers are starting to come down, even in the fraudulent drive-by media polls. I will explain this as the program unfolds. Yep, Donald Trump has denied a request from the Minnesota governor for money to rebuild parts of Minneapolis that were destroyed during the riots following the death of George Floyd. The governor is disappointed that the federal government declined his request for money, said the office of Governor Tim Walz in a statement. As we navigate one of the most difficult periods in our state's history, we look for support from our federal government to help us through.